How would a chiropractic adjustment help with pinched nerves in the lower back and in the neck? By lining the spine up correctly, you'll take pressure off of the joints in through there. Decreasing the inflammation in the joint will take that irritation away from the nerve. In addition to that, when you have a correctly aligned spine, it allows for the disc to move and work properly with your spine, therefore decreasing any kind of bulging or herniation in through the neck or lower back. In addition to that, the alignment itself can irritate the nerve as the nerve exits the spinal column. So those are the ways that chiropractic adjustments will help you relieve pinched nerves in through the lower back and the neck both. My name is Dr. Neil Langschied, and I'm a chiropractor in Jeffersontown, Kentucky.